I combine this one along with this, along with this. This one goes with this and this. So I could have simply done it differently. Two ones are enough, two groups. This is unnecessary now because this one appears in this and this. This one appears in this and this. There is no need. Every one should be at least covered once. But covering a one more than one does not matter. It is not a mistake. But putting this repeated coverage will result in number of terms being increased. We don't want that. We want to have as few terms as possible, as few terms as required. So even though I do like that, I should have done this way. Corresponds to, this corresponds to A bar C. This corresponds to B bar C bar. So that means my F is B bar C bar or A bar C. If you draw this, all the four terms of this, A bar B bar C bar, A bar B C bar, A bar B bar C, A bar B C, A B bar C bar, if you write all of them and simplify using Boolean algebra, you will get the same result. This is a very quick, efficient method called map method or corner map method. The idea is have as few groups as possible, at the same time not leave out anyone. All it's not a mistake. But if you unnecessarily keep on covering a one repeatedly like this, will increase the number of terms. We don't want that. In this case, I could have done it easily this. I didn't want to do it in the beginning. I wanted to show you this way and then this way. Now this is same as this. Here I have only two terms, here I have three terms. So naturally this is more efficient. So if I now want to combine, make this, I can draw a circuit with B bar C bar, A bar C.
इसको बोलते हैं रियलाइजेशन ऑफ ए बूलियन अलजेब्रा विद द हेल्प ऑफ गेट्स। ठीक है, इसमें क्या है, जैसे ये नोट लगा दिया ना, नोट का मतलब होता है इन्वर्जन, तो जो भी इनपुट होगी ना उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा। ओके, और जो आपका एंड गेट होता है वो क्या करेगा, आपका सिस्टम को इनटू में कर देगा, जो आउटपुट होंगी आपकी इनटू में आएंगी। ठीक है, अगर और गेट लगेगा तो वो प्लस में आएगा।
I use two AND gates, one OR gate, three inverters. Two.
देखो यहाँ से ये इन्वर्ट होके ये जो है ना, यहाँ पर ये जो आउटपुट देगा यहाँ पर देगा बी बार। ठीक है, और यहाँ से इनपुट जो है एक तो यहाँ पर गई है, एक जो यहाँ पर गई है वो सी सी आ जाएगी, क्योंकि यहाँ इन्वर्टर नहीं लगा, कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं होगा। ए जो है ए बार हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे ए बार, यहाँ पे बी बार और यहाँ पे सी बार, सी बी बार सी बार ए बार और सी, ठीक है। और फिर यहाँ पर आने के बाद क्या होगा, ये हो जाएगा आपका ए बार प्लस सी, और ये हो जाएगा आपका बी बार प्लस सी बार, और ये और में चला गया, सॉरी प्लस नहीं, बी बार इंटू सी बार, और ये हो जाएगा आपका ए बार इंटू सी, ठीक है। और ये दोनों जो है ऐड हो जाएंगे, ओके, ए बार बी बार प्लस ए बार सी।
Two input and one, two input R, three inverters. If I did not do the simplification, I would have used four 3 input AND gates, one 4 input OR gate, and 3 inverters. This is called map method or corner map method. Systematically, it reduces the function. You don't have to worry whether you have reached the minimum or not. As long as you cover all the ones in the simplest possible way without overlapping. Overlapping is not a mistake. If that is it has to be done, you can do it. Sometimes I will give an example where I have to do it more than once. But you don't do it unnecessarily. Once you have covered a one, there is no need to cover it again. Sometimes it becomes necessary to cover it. This is what is known as the map method, corner map method. It's 3 variables. It's 4 variables, you will have 16 cells. Because 4 variables will have 16 rows. 5 variables, 32 rows. 2 variables, 4 rows. So I can do a 2 variable map, 3 variable map, 4 variable map, 5 variable map, 6 variable map, and so on. This is an efficient method, but the number of variables is too large, we can't do this. Boolean algebra is difficult, number of variables being too large. You start writing the functions, start applying Boolean algebra, you don't know how long, how much you can do it. So in between, you have this method, and even these files, that is the number of variables is too large, you go for computerized reduction. That is what they do. Today's technology in designing of big digital circuits. They don't use corner maps, they use computerized reduction. We are not going to talk about that, computer reduction. I will tell you the names of that. But it is all automatic. There are tools. You feed all the terms along with the inputs and the outputs, and then it does a reduction and gives you the result. That is not necessary to know because a computer does it. This is an intermediate method which is the map method or the corner map method is the best one. I will give you one more example. Supposing I have F is, see, one more thing is, I do not have to write this truth table every time. I told you these are called min terms, if you remember the other day. If the output is 1, it's called a min term. If the output is 0, it's called a max term.
Max term.
So which are the min terms which are 1? If I list them out, you know, for example, this is 0. This is term 0, term 1, M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. With 3 variables, we'll have 8 terms starting with 0 to 7. 4 variables have 16 terms starting with 0 to 15. So all I have to tell you is which terms are 1s and which terms are 0. So for example, I can now say you know immediately this is what it is. So now I will give you an example like that. There are 3 variables or 4 variables or 3 variables, make it. M0, M1, M3, and 5.
4 terms.
These are three variables, which means it is the first term of the this is 1, this is 3, because this is 0. You don't have to write it every time. We know it all. If I say this is understood. Now, if that is the case, how do I map it? I map it like this. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, 1, 3, 5.
5.
1, 3, 5. These are ones. Rest of them are zeros. Zero you don't have to write. I'm just showing it to you, but don't clutter the map. This enough. Now how do I simplify it?
2 pairs.
This is A bar C. This is B bar C. This is where I am telling you that more than once covering is required. There are only 3 terms. If I do it this way, I have covered these 2 ones. Now these 2 ones I cover it this way, I get 2 terms. If I do not do this, if I do not do this, I could have covered this way. Supposing I don't do this way. Only then it's simplified. Now supposing I do not cover this way, I cover this way. This is also right, but this will have 3 terms. This is A, B bar, C. But we want, if we cover this way, it comes B bar C. So this will be simpler than this. This is a 2 input AND gate, this is a 3 input AND gate. So why should I cover it this way when I can cover it this way? So the rule is cover all the ones at least once. You can cover more than once, any one, provided it simplifies your final expression. This is a typical example. If I use these 2, this term will come. If I use this term alone, this will come. But if I also do this, now this one gets covered both in this and this, that's not a mistake. But I should not leave anything out. I should cover all the ones. But do not unnecessarily do it in this case.
Rec-